And this is a very important point because we can understand that cell destroys its protein and it does not contain any right-handed amino acids. For the third necessity, the binding features of the amino acids is very important. Because there are lots of molecules in the universe and they have to bind to each other. And there are lots of bounding features, but amino acids use only the peptide boundings. And we can give an example as a car. Imagine there is a full accessorized and also it has a perfect engine, a perfect car. Right behind you. But when you detailedly investigate it, you see that there is one of the wheel of it is wired to the car, not screwed. Do you think that it can move? No way. So you can compare it with the amino acids and their peptide boundings. If they don't bound to each other with the peptide boundings, it cannot work. We can say that the cells, according to the cell's needs, the cell might produce a protein consist of 50 amino acids or thousands of amino acids containing. And there are three necessities we need when it's produced by a protein. We say that, first of all, the order and the number of the amino acids, and then their bounding types, and all have to be left-handed. So think of a regular protein in a cell, like consists of 500 amino acids. When they calculate the chance of the three necessities come into being with this protein consisting of 500 amino acids, they found that it is the chance of 1 in 10 to the power of 950. This is a big number. It's an astronomical number. Imagine that you write these 950 zeros right to the number 1. You cannot even write it on a paper. It's so big and astronomical. And also for the mathematical calculations, in 1 in 10 to the power of 50 is called 0. So it means the impossible. So we are talking about something impossible in here. All the evidence from now on I'm talking about show you that evolution is helpless about this question, about this situation. And when you think of a complex living structure, I'm just talking about now on, just a protein consists of 500 amino acids. Think of your cells. A trillion cell make you. You have trillion cells. And every cell, like they have to produce 200 proteins. And also they have to produce these proteins in a moment and break it down, and then again it has to produce it. And think of it, I cannot actually calculate the number if it was by chance. And now we can say that, we can say that evolutionists are persuading themselves to believe in evolution. But science is proving creation. You have listened to the scientific explanation of a protein's creation. As you can see, they are all created by Almighty Allah.